Hey guys, so we are going on a little adventure, aren't we guys? Lady, Koda. Hi. Are we going bye-bye? Yeah, we're going bye-bye, huh, buddy? Yeah, we're gonna go bye-bye, right? Alright, so I'm taking these guys bye-bye. I'm doing 2 videos in one here. Oh, he's sniffing my head. Why are you sniffing my hair? Doing kind of a Saturday vlog video, and then we're doing a video about taking these guys to the car wash for the first time. And then I'm picking up Brittany, and we're gonna come back here and do video stuff. And I'm kind of doing a behind the scenes thing, so that's what we're gonna do. And I keep looking at the camera, and that is not right. Anyways, I keep looking at this piece, the screen, and I gotta look at you. So that is what we're doing today. So I gotta get going. I'm running late, so we'll talk to you later. Alright guys, we're gonna go. Koda, stop! She's not gonna hurt you. Go ahead, you'll be fine. Oh. Thank you. There. You can't come in. You're not allowed. Hey. She's being attacked. Koda, you be nice. Best day ever. You don't bark at Brittany. Best day ever. Oh, you just bucked. Hi. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh. You happy now?
Best day ever.
Yeah. First time meeting Koda too,
Hi.
huh?
Hi. Oh.
Oh yeah, he's a big toughie.
Baby.
I remember when we first took him to the groomer.
Thanks for licking my hand.
The first time we took him to the groomer, Koda, there was this giant great mountain Bernese dog in a kennel, and he gets in there, he's all like crouched to the ground, all of a sudden he goes, arr!
Hi. Oh. Hi. 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 Hi.
I could just watch this all day. Are you? See, I told you. I told you. Yeah, I told you. You smell.
Yeah.
So, I'm doing another Saturday vlog with behind the scenes of our filming stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tell us all about it.
Well, currently we're getting a car wash and getting the dog's reaction. And I think it's ironic that the last one I did, we got a car wash.
Oh, yeah, we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because that was like a while ago.
Yeah.
Dogs. Look at him. Oh. Hi.
Oh, hi, buddy.
My hair looks really cute today.
This kid looks so excited.
He loves his job.
Are you guys ready for this? You be nice, lady. What's that? What is that? Uh-oh, Koda, look! Look where we're going! Where are we going? This will be interesting.
Yeah. Oh, we got peed on. I got that recorded.
Thank God.
They're like, what is happening? What is going on?
What's going on, guys? What's going on? Oh. Oh, nice and clean.
Wow.
Wow. It's okay, buddy. He's like, get me the hell out of here. It's okay, lady. Oh no, she's shaky.
Oh.
It's okay, ladybug. It's okay, bug. It's okay. It's alright, guys.
And thus concludes the car wash saga.